before po. Yeah, it's Candy Cans unboxing.
Yeah.
So before,
Sister Candy Cans.
yeah, before anything else, please
Subscribe and like the channel and
Click
click
the-
the bell.
so that you will be notified to our upcoming videos. Okay, let's open now your Candy Cans.
It's my
Okay,
favorite.
so silang bidang today. Okay. So, we got 2 candy canes kasi wala nang ibang design. So, yan ang dalawa yung kinuha namin.
Kuya, help me
So,
open
we
it, Kuya.
got home
There's
from
little
Robin.
sisters.
Yeah,
Yeah,
lit-
but the little sisters out of stock now.
Oh, out of stock. So,
See, she
yan.
don't
Sige,
have
you
it.
show the front view. Oh, yan.
don't have
So,
the
the first one is butterfly flower scent and the other one is cotton candy scent. Okay. Which one will open?
First.
Oh, cotton candy scent first.
Can you open
For
it
chicken.
for me, Kuya?
Careful. And does it smell good?
Yes. Wait,
From what?
smells good. Like
Smells
cotton
good.
candy.
Like a cotton candy.
Ay.
Open, open. 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 Surprise. Yeah, galing kasi kami nagpa-enroll. So, good naman. Kaya, yeah.
Salamat siya.
May, ano sila. May toys sila for today. Medyo matagal din kasi hindi kami nakapunta ng mall at hindi sila nakakuha ng toys. Kaya, yan. Binilhan ko na. Mangarap nila yung candy canes na yan eh. Sige. Sige na.
Give me
Show.
scissors.
Inaya lang nga.
Scissors.
No, you wait. Kuya first.
Ta-da!
Sige, sana siya. Butterfly. Ano to?
Butterfly purple.
Scent? Ano?
Butterfly flower scent.
Butterfly flower scent. Okay. Tara, oh, ang iyang slippers ba? Ang tanga, ang scotch tape.
Okay.
Chika, no, magguba ang iyang dress. Kuya, hinaya, kuya.
Use cutting it.
Yeah. You wait, kuya first. Oh, help siya, te. Help ko na siya, te.
Hi! And this is a Lancy.
Help siya, te, Lindsay. Ang iyang hinaya, tarang, sige, guba.
I cannot cut like this one too. I cannot.
Tapangin siya, te. Tapangin.
This way.
Oh, come here.
I know how to cut
Oh,
it.
no, makat ang hair. Makat ang hair.
It's gonna be upaw. One.
Here, diba? Chicken.
That's candy kiss.
Mhm.
That's the big sister.
Mhm.
Ati, do you wanna see the Luoy one? The one who has no sister?
Where?
In the picture.
Mm.
She don't have it. She don't have a big.
sister?
Yeah, the rainbow one.
Oh.
She's so Luoy. But where's the baby?
Huwag guys, stock. No stock yet. So, if na stock, mag-buy ta. Okay. Yan. So, ayun. You show na your cotton candy. Ano siya? Cotton candy scent. And flower butterfly scent.
Oh, she's so pretty.
Puro kasi yung sakit rin.
I'm a big sister, but where's my little sister?
You show na the face. Oh, does it smell good? You smell daw. Smell. Smell cotton candy? Huh? How about yours? What's Isabella?
It looks like Lisabella purple.
Okay, that's it. So
Look,
yun,
guys,
galing din
look.
kami sa Lake Danao. Thank you for watching.
Guys, look at that.
Bye. Bye-bye na, Chikay. Please don't forget to
Subscribe
And click the bell.
and click the bell so you'll notified.
Look at the camera, Chikay. So that you will be notified for our upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.